Hi guys, in this video I will show you a hidden feature on Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco phones. I'll show you how to use the camera and flash to heart rate without installing third-party programs. You will need an activation program Activity Launcher. You can download it in the Play Market. First I do the setup. App Info. Choose Other Permissions. Home screen shortcut Always Allow. OK. Launch Activity Launcher. And now I type in search heart rate. From the font I choose the options that has the Android icon. I press and hold on the icon and I choose Create shortcut. I return on the desktop and we can check the pulse. If the video was helpful, subscribe to my channel. See you in new videos.